Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had a fantastic day of trading today. And again, want to thank you guys for all of the support on the channel. Definitely appreciate it. If you guys like the content, if you like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. Today, I just want to talk about my latest dividend capture swing trade, this time with IBM International Business Machines, ticker symbol IBM. Jumped in to grab a dividend for today. Today was IBM's ex-dividend date, so jumped into the stock yesterday, picked up 65 shares. You can see this order here, 65 shares at $151.70. Total equity value of this trade, $9,860.50, with the idea to sell back today if the stock did rebound in price. As you guys know, on the ex-dividend day, the stock always drops by at least the amount of the dividend, which for IBM here was $1.50. But a lot of times the stock will immediately rebound, which it did here. I put in a limit sell for just a few cents over what I bought it for. Unfortunately, the stock did not quite rebound up to that 151.70 to 80 mark or so. Got up to 151.51, then also 151.50, 49 here. Did trail back here a bit before rebounding and then trailing down as we entered aftermarket trading here. So was not able to get out of the trade. I probably should have taken this order here, sold off at 151.50 or so. That would have meant a total return of about negative $20 or so, maybe $30. But if you factor in that $97.50 dividend, even with tax implications, that's still a $50 to $60+ swing trade. Probably should have done that, as I definitely want to put a little bit more capital into a few other swing trading stocks that have upcoming ex-dividend dates as well. But nevertheless, picked up that $97.50 dividend. You can see here the total return is negative $97.64. So probably should have sold off here. Got the dividend, got the $50 to $60 dividend swing trade, and then used the capital on the next stock. But I'm more than happy holding IBM for the shorter term here. I think it's a great company. And if you take a look at the one-year graph here, there's probably some momentum that can be had for the rest of the year, if not going into 2018. I don't think this is a bad stock moving forward. I don't like to necessarily hold this stock for the longer term, but for a few weeks here, if it takes to get out of the trade, more than happy to do that. So just wanted, again, to update you guys on my latest swing trade, dividend capture strategy with IBM. Had an ex-dividend day today, picked up some shares yesterday, and as you guys remember as well, and for new viewers on the channel, you can definitely sell off on the ex-dividend day to still get the dividend. That's the whole reason they call it the ex-dividend day. This is when the dividend is going ex-dividend. So you can sell it off on the ex-dividend date. You are still qualified for the dividend. And then you can use that capital to pick up other dividend capture stocks, or maybe just put it into a buy and hold strategy as well. You can do anything you want with that capital after you're out of a trade. So that's what I did today. Let me know if you guys have any good upcoming swing trading dividend capture stocks that you're working with. There's a few on my radar that I was, again, hoping to use this capital to jump in with. Probably should have sold off here. But nevertheless, a very nice dividend capture. And then hopefully I can swing trade this stock as well to make a few extra dollars on top of that. So not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys, again, have any great stocks that you are taking a look at for dividend capture this next week here, or the rest of this week, please let me know. Always looking for new stocks to jump into. This was a stock actually that a viewer mentioned to me was having an upcoming ex-dividend date. Took a look at the price, some of the fundamentals. Definitely thought this was to be a okay trade to jump into. And again, I only jump into stocks that I'm more than happy to hold for the shorter term or long term. So IBM couldn't get out of the trade like I detailed here in the video, but that's okay. I'm more than happy to hold this for the little bit longer term. It's got a great dividend yield here on the bottom. You can see dividend yield 3.313%. So I like that. I like it that it's a blue chip company. I don't think it's going to be necessarily a pulling back in price anytime soon. And really all I needed to do is jump a percent, less than a percent actually, about 0.7, 0.8%. And then I can get out of the stock and use that capital for my next dividend capture swing trading stock. So that's what I'm doing with IBM. Let me know if you guys have also done this with IBM or, again, other stocks. Always appreciated. So again, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here, and we'll see you guys next time.